friends, welcome to our channel Gunshot GK. Today we are going to discuss May 2nd week current affairs. Let's start. Vesak, the day of birth, enlightenment and death of Lord Buddha was observed on which date in 2020? It was observed on 7th May. Next one, the Government of India is to conduct one of the largest evacuation exercises with an aim to bring Indians stranded abroad due to the coronavirus pandemic. What is the name of this exercise? It is Vande Bharat Mission. Next one, where was the incident of stearine gas leakage occurred in a chemical plant LG Polymers Industry on 7th May? It was occurred in Visakhapatnam. Next one, when was the India Meteorological Department founded? It was founded on 1875. Next one, which state government has relaunched the ambitious Sambal Yojana aimed to strengthen the lives of the poor and the SC and ST communities by providing them social security cover? It is Madhya Pradesh government. Next one, the Iranian parliament has announced the decision to replace its currency Rial with which basic unit of currency? It is Toman. Next one, which state government allowed 12-hour shifts for factory workers across the state until June 30? It is Maharashtra. Next one, who is the current Ayush Minister of India? He is Mr. Shripad Yesso Nayak. Next one, which state government launched a website for ordering of liquor? It is West Bengal. Next one, World Athletics Day is celebrated on which date? It was celebrated on 7th May. Next one, which country has decided to reopen mosques for public prayers from May 7, 2020? It is Bangladesh. Next one, who has been appointed as chairperson of Parliament's Public Accounts Committee? He is Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Next one, who has been appointed as its new head of retail banking on May 5, 2020 by Standard Chartered Bank? He is Mr. Kushal Rai. Next one, who is the current Union Minister of Power? He is Mr. R.K. Singh. Next one, who inaugurated the road link from Darchula to Lipu Lake on 8th May? He is Mr. Rajnath Singh. Next one, Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti is celebrated on which date? It was celebrated on 7th May. Next one, who is the current Defence Secretary of India? He is Mr. Ajay Kumar. Next one, the book titled Vijayant at Kargil, The Life of Kargil Hero is a biography of which Kargil hero? He is Mr. Vijayant Thapar. Next one, which state government passed an ordinance to suspend labour laws for the next 3 years? It is Uttar Pradesh. Next one, which state CM has launched a national scholarship online portal website under name Mukhyamantri Yuva Yogayog Yojana for students? So he is Tripura CM. Next one, which state has become the first state in the country to provide a door-to-door midday meal ration? It is Madhya Pradesh. Next one, the time of remembrance and reconciliation for those who lost their lives during the Second World War is observed on which date every year? So it is 8th to 9th May. Next one, Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Health and Family Welfare Minister, launched which mobile application related to COVID-19 situation? So it is Ayush Sanjeevani. Next one, which board signed an MOU with IIT Madras on 7th May to establish a Center of Excellence? It is Coir Board. Next one, which organization reappointed environmentalist and actor producer Dia Mirza's term as its National Goodwill Ambassador for another 2 years till the end of 2022? So it is the United Nations Environment Program. Next one, World Thalassemia Day is observed on which date? It was observed on 8th May. Next one, World Red Cross Day is observed on which date? It was observed on 8th May. Next one, the Government of India and the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank signed an agreement for how much dollars COVID-19 emergency response and health systems preparedness project on 8th May. So it is $500 million. Next one, which state government announces exemptions for new projects from provisions of labor laws? It is Gujarat. Next one, which state government increased the retirement age of its employees, including teachers and PSU workers, from 58 years to 59? It is Tamil Nadu. Next one, the IIT Alumni Council launched a COVID-19 test bus to carry out affordable and rapid testing in the dense urban areas of which city? It is Mumbai. Next one, who is the Director General of International Organization for Migration? He is Mr. Antonio Vitorino. Next one, which state bans manufacture, sale and storage of 11 brands of pan masala for a year? It is Jharkhand. Next one, the birth anniversary of Maharana Pratap Singh I is celebrated on which date? It was celebrated on 9th May. Next one, Moody's Investors Service projects India's economic growth at what percent in 2020-21? It is 0%. Next one, who is the current Union Minister for Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution? He is Mr. Ram Vilas Paswan. Next one, Gift City is in which state? It is in Gujarat. One, which startup has launched an antimicrobial and washable face mask that can be reused up to 50 launderings? It is NanoSafe Solutions. Next one, which country successfully launched its most powerful rocket, Long March 5B, on its maiden voyage into orbit on 5th May? It is China. Next one, SBI reduces benchmark lending rate by how much basis points with effect from 10th May? It is 15 basis point. Next one, the Ministry of Defence signed a contract with which company for modernization of airfield infrastructure of 37 airfields for the Indian Air Force, Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard on 8th May? It is Tata Power. Next one, what was the name of the co-founder of Kodava Hockey Festival in Coorg, Karnataka, who recently died at the age of 85? He is Mr. Pandanda Kattappa. Next one, Abhidale Neemuchwala has decided to step down from the post of Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of which company? It is Wipro Limited. Next one, English Language Speech Assistant Corporation India has appointed which Indian cricketer as its brand ambassador for India, Middle East, Australia and New Zealand and SAARC? He is Mr. Ajinkya Rahane. Next one, which organization has entered into a tie-up with the Indian Council of Medical Research for the delivery of COVID-19 testing kits all across the country? It is India Post. Next one, World Migratory Bird Day is observed on which date every year? It was observed on May 9th. Next one, according to the International Energy Agency, how much percent of the daily electricity demand has been reduced in Global Energy Review? It was reduced by 15%. Next one, the Carlyle Group, a United States-based private equity firm, acquired how much stake in Sequent Scientific Limited, the largest animal healthcare company in India? It is 74%. Next one, which state becomes the first state to extend lockdown till May 29? It is Telangana. Next one, who is the current chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes? He is Mr. Pramod Chandra Modi. Next one, who is the current Drug Controller General of India? He is Mr. V.G. Somani. Next one, the World Health Organization and the UN's Postal Agency have released a commemorative postage stamp on 9th May to commemorate which anniversary of the eradication of smallpox? It is 40th anniversary. Next one, the Tamil Nadu government has constituted a high-level committee to assess the overall immediate and medium-term impact of COVID-19 on the state's economy. Who is the head of this committee? He is Mr. C. Rangarajan. Next one, what is India's GDP growth for 2020-21 predicted by Japanese brokerage firm Nomura Holdings? It is 5.2%. one, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister launched which app to aid migrant citizens coming to UP from other states so that they can take advantage of government schemes. It is Pravesi Rahat Mitra app. Next one, according to the data released by the Registrar General of India, which state has the worst infant mortality rate in the country? It is Madhya Pradesh. Next one, Indian government launched which mission on 10th May to provide assistance to Indian Ocean region nations amid the coronavirus crisis? It is Mission Sagar. Next one, when was the National Payment Corporation of India founded? It was founded on 2008. Which institute has developed the indigenous IgG ELISA test COVID Kavach ELISA for antibody detection for COVID-19? It is National Institute of Virology, Pune. Next one, the Indian Council of Medical Research will initiate a study in how many districts to check for community transmission? It is 75 districts. Next one, National Technology Day is observed on which date? It was observed on 11th May. Next one, according to the Pharmaceuticals Export Promotion Council of India, pharmaceutical exports from India grew how much percent in 2019 to 20? It is 7.57%. Next one, River Neela is in which state? It is in Kerala. Next one, who assumed charge as the new Secretary, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy on 11th May 2020? He is Mr. Indu Shekhar. Next one, Harishankar Vasudevan died due to novel coronavirus on 10th May. He was a famous person in which field? He was a famous historian. Next one, the Indian Council of Medical Research announced a research collaboration with which Hyderabad-based company to develop a COVID-19 vaccine? It is Bharat Biotech International Limited. Next one, the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers reported that National Fertilizers Limited, a PSU under Government of India, registered how much growth in fertilizer sales in April 2020? It is 71%. Next one, which laboratories of DRDO develops contactless sanitizer dispenser? It is Terminal Ballistics Research Laboratory. Next one, the FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup will now be held in which year due to COVID-19 pandemic? It was held in the year 2021. Next one, what is the new deadline to complete seeding of Aadhaar numbers with ration cards? It is September 30. Next one, the Khadi and Village Industries Commission POTUS are using innovative methods to prevent the spread of coronavirus in which state? It is in Rajasthan. Next one, the Department of Consumer Affairs has launched which initiative to use technology to prevent the spread of COVID-19 at the local Kirana store level? It is Suraksha Store Initiative. Next one, Atal Pension Yojana completed 5 years of its implementation on 9th May 2020. What age group is covered under this scheme? 18 to 40 years. Next one, who becomes first Indian to win ITF Fed Cup Heart Award for Asia Oceania Zone through online voting by fans? She is Madam Sania Mirza. Next one, International Nurses Day is observed around the world on which date? It was observed on 12th May. Next one, which state government launched FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana? It is Madhya Pradesh. Next one, the government released how much fund to 14 states as the second equated monthly installment of the post-devaluation revenue deficit grant on 11th May. It is Rs 6,195.08 crore. Next one, the Indian government has announced COVID-19 relief mega package of how many crores? It is 20 lakh crores. Next one, headquarters of Shanghai Cooperation Organization is located in which city? It is located in Beijing. Next one, which company unveiled India's first indigenous hot air sealing machines for PPE kits? It is Mac Power. Next one, which state CM announced that the state will soon develop its own standard operating procedure for the tourists visiting the place? Goa Chief Minister. Next one, which portal has been launched by the Union Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises to assist Indian MSMEs to march into big league as national and global champions? It is Champions Portal. Next one, the Government of India announced a rupees 20 lakh crore stimulus package equivalent to how much percent of India's GDP? It is 10%. Next one, which union territory announced that it will provide a tap water connection to all rural households by December 2022 under the Jal Jeevan Mission? It is Jammu and Kashmir. Next one, who was appointed as the new chairman of Central Board of Secondary Education on May 12, 2020? He is Mr. Manoj Ahuja. Next one, which company has announced a new policy that will allow all of its employees to work from home not only currently in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic but also afterward? It is Twitter. Next one, addressing the liquidity issue of many MSMEs, the government has decided to reduce the rates of tax deduction at source and tax collection at source by how much percent of their existing rates? It is 25%. Next one, FIFA Futsal World Cup Lithuania 2020 has been rescheduled to be held in which year? It was held in 2021. Next one, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced emergency liquidity of how much to be infused in the power distribution firms as a part of Atmanirbhar economic package. It is rupees 90,000 crore.